4 hidden iPhone health features in iOS 26 that can quietly improve your life. What if your iPhone could help you sleep better, manage stress, never forget your meds, and even let your loved ones take care of you without you realizing it? In iOS 26, Apple added some powerful health features that most people completely ignore, but they can seriously improve your daily life. Let me show you 4 hidden iPhone health features you should start using today. Feature 1. Mood and mental well-being. Let's start with mental health, mood tracking. This feature helps you understand your emotions over time instead of guessing how you feel. Now, let me show you how to log your mood on your iPhone. First, open the Health app. It's the white app with the heart icon. Next, tap Browse. If you don't see it, just use Search. Then go to Mental Well-being and tap State of Mind. If this is your first time, tap Get Started. If not, just tap Log. Now choose what you want to track, how you feel right now, or how you felt overall today. Drag the slider to match how intense that feeling is, then tap Next. You can also add more details, like words that describe your mood or things that affected it, such as sleep, social time, or exercise. When you're done, tap Done. That's it. Your mood is now logged. You can view your mood history in the Health app by going to Mental Well-being, State of Mind, Show in Charts. From there, you can track how your emotions change over time, see daily moods or momentary emotions, and explore factors like sleep, exercise, or social activity that may affect your mental well-being. Why it matters. If you log your mood once a day, your iPhone starts showing emotional patterns. This isn't therapy, it's awareness before burnout. Feature 2. Sleep tracking and sleep score. Next, sleep tracking. Most people focus on sleep hours, but iOS 26 focuses on sleep quality. To set up your sleep tracking in iOS 26, start by opening the Health app, go to Browse, and select Sleep. The key here is your schedule. Set separate times for weekdays and weekends to keep your consistency score high. If you have an Apple Watch, make sure tracking is enabled. It's much more accurate than the iPhone because it monitors your vitals. Lastly, enable Sleep Focus. It filters out notifications and helps your brain prep for rest during your wind-down period. It's a game changer for your sleep quality. Why it matters? After a week, check the weekly or monthly sleep view. If you sleep enough but still feel tired, this feature often explains why. Feature 3. Medication and vitamin tracking. Third, medication tracking. This is one of the most underrated iPhone health features. Setting this up takes less than 2 minutes, but the benefit is peace of mind all day, every day. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. Tap Browse at the bottom right, then select Medications. Next, tap Add Medication. You can type the medication name, or in some regions, even scan the label to get the correct dosage. Now enter the details, whether it's a capsule, tablet, or liquid, and the strength of the medication. After that, set your schedule. Choose specific days or as needed, and set reminders for morning or night. Make sure reminders are turned on. You can also enable follow-up reminders, so if you forget to log a dose, your iPhone will remind you again later. Here's an expert tip. Scroll to the bottom, tap Options, and turn on Critical Alerts. These alerts break through silent mode and focus, perfect for medications you absolutely cannot miss. So why does this matter? It removes the stress of remembering medications, prevents double dosing, avoids mix-ups, and warns about drug interactions. Small setup, big impact on daily health. Feature 4. Sharing health data with loved ones. Finally, health sharing. This lets someone you trust quietly look out for you. To share health data, first open the Health app. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Sharing tab. Next, tap Share with Someone or Add Another Person. Choose a contact from your list, make sure they're already added to your contacts, or search for a healthcare provider. Now, select the data you want to share. You can scroll through categories like activity, heart rate, sleep, and more. Once you're done, tap Next, then tap Share, and finally, Done. You can even choose to share important notifications like high heart rate alerts. It's a simple way to keep family members or doctors informed and give yourself extra peace of mind. iOS 26 isn't just smarter, it's more human. If you use even one of these features daily, your mental and physical health will benefit long term. Subscribe for more iPhone tips that actually improve your life, and comment below, which feature will you try first?